Fire alarm cabling and CCTV Ethernet cabling are permitted to be run in the same conduit. The National Fire Protection Association 70, also known as the National Electrical Code, specifically addresses this in Article 760.421b. The code states that fire alarm circuits and communications circuits shall be permitted to occupy the same raceway, cable, or enclosure. It's crucial to understand that while this commingling is allowed, there are specific conditions that must be met to ensure safety and proper functionality. Firstly, the raceway, cable, or enclosure itself must be listed for this specific purpose. This listing ensures that the materials used are appropriate for both fire alarm and communications circuits, and that they meet the required safety standards. Secondly, a physical barrier must separate the fire alarm circuits and the communications circuit. This barrier could be a fire-rated barrier, designed to withstand high temperatures and prevent the spread of fire, or it could be a plenum-rated barrier, suitable for use in air-handling spaces. The purpose of this physical barrier is to provide a level of isolation between the two types of circuits. Thirdly, it is imperative that the fire alarm circuits and communications circuits do not interfere with each other's operation. This means ensuring that the signals from one type of circuit do not disrupt or degrade the performance of the other. Careful planning and installation are necessary to prevent such interference. In summary, while the NEC permits running fire alarm and CCTV Ethernet cabling in the same conduit, adherence to these conditions is mandatory. Failure to comply with these requirements could result in safety hazards, equipment malfunction, and code violations. It is always advisable to consult with a qualified electrician or fire alarm technician to ensure that your installation meets all applicable codes and standards.